Even when my light burns low, I could never lose my hope. I've been down this road before, now I know which way to go. Everybody has their doubts, but you can't stop now. You just gotta live.
As a kid, mama told me sky's the limit till you hit it. Like King Griffey to the Vinces, out of there, out the park, hit and run. That's my drive, Then we prevail. Tell them you just gotta live.
Even with my
Okay guys, so we just got to the Great Wolf Lodge in Colorado Springs because we're coming here because Kaylee's graduation is tomorrow and she's graduating, so we're staying here. So since we have a large family, we have a large ugly van. We're gonna talk about the van. So Dad, tell us about the van.
So what helped me make this trip possible was this 1999 GMC Savannah. Now, this thing is amazing. It's got a Vortec 5.7, but I refer to it as a 350. Now 350s have been around since 1969, I believe, and they were still going in 1999. It's a good running engine. It gets decent fuel mileage. You know, we got a really good deal on this van. We purchased this van for about $2,000, and the only thing we've had to do is put an alternator on it
and about to fix the windshield.
Now, this thing runs great, and a lot of people, like, the kids freak out and they call it the
Big Red Beast.
Big Red Beast is what I was getting at. But really, it's an awesome car.
Okay. So yeah, let's Zarin? Everybody's in nice cars like Cadillacs and everything, and we're just in here with this. Okay, so we went to the Great Wolf Lodge in Dallas, and it was way bigger than this. Like, we've been here once already before, here in Colorado Springs, but then we went to the one in Dallas in January for like a vacation, you know. That was way bigger there than this one. It was so nice. It was super nice, but this one is nice too. It's just smaller, obviously. Like, it's not in Texas. Everything's bigger in Texas. That's the good thing about here. The mountains are so pretty. Z, I like your socks. Guys, we barely fit in the elevator.
They don't know like that.
Rocket! Mom.
Listen. Okay, do you want to go check out 209 to see what's wrong?
Yeah, so you walk in here. Dang, this is a small bedroom. And then it's a whole different room.
This is nice.
And then it has another TV. I didn't see it. Oh, yes. Now
So my auntie came with Benny. Come here. Say hi, Ben. Look. See? Say hi. Maya, say hi. Are you shy? Can you say Macy? Macy. Gracie. Say Zarin. Say we love you. Love you. Okay, say we're gonna go swimming. Say we'll see you in a bit.
3 cards.
Say bye. Say bye.
You know me best. You know me best. You make me better. You make me better. You gotta be here to feel the vibe right now. Gotta be here to feel the vibe. Gotta be here to feel the vibe.
So we just got done swimming, huh? We just got done swimming. Now we're gonna go eat. Whoa!
The feelings right now, yeah. You know me best.
Oh, yummy.
You know me best. I'm so
Yummy? Oh,
Gotta be here to fit a vibe.
nice.
What's up? What's up? We just got done eating. 2 lovers in the back, and I'm over here just doing me. Okay, so now we're gonna go putt golf.
Hi. Smart. Unless you, yeah. Oh yes. Brad. Dumb.
So we just got done from mini golfing. I don't know who won. We did, and now we're gonna go bowling, but it's kind of lame, and there's no room for us. There's not. So we don't know what to do. I think I'm gonna peace out. Okay, so it's 10:46, and we have like a big old day tomorrow. You know, Kaylee's graduating and everything. We have to get up early, and you know, get ready and everything. We have to be over there like at 8:45, and so yeah, so I have to do my makeup, I have to do my hair and everything, and I have to wash my hair, and that's gonna take a long time, and then it has to dry, so that's gonna take a long time, and then I have to curl it or straighten it, so that's gonna take a very long time too. So I gotta go to bed because I have to wake up at like 5:30 if I want to look halfway decent. So good night, and we'll see you in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now we just got to the graduation, and hi Grandma, how are you? Hey, oh there's Katie. Yeah. Oh my girl. Love you. Hey, I am so. My mom's gonna cry. Yeah.
Close, I can feel you breathe. You're so holy and worthy.
Kaylee J. Ramey Scooble, daughter of Aaron and Stephanie Scooble.
Okay, Kaylee. As you came into the world, into our lives, we knew that you were going to change the world because you changed ours. As we stared into your face, we knew we would do anything and everything in our power to protect you. As mighty warrior and woman of God that you become, I'm astonished at the way that pain and challenge have forged in you strength and courage. We have walked in ministry together, taught together, and learned together, and I cherish every one of those moments. Your passion for design, critical thinking, and determination to love God and love people make you an unstoppable force. You've had the capability to take on tasks that others would be afraid to do. Yeah. And because of this and your academic excellence, we know that you have definitely earned and will always go for the gold. We call you our princess, but you certainly have a way of making others feel like royalty. With your achievements and your accomplishments, and far surpassing them all. Kaylee, we know that you will always use your gifts and talents to glorify and honor God and walk without fear of the future.
My child, if your heart is wise, my own heart will rejoice. Everything in me will celebrate when you speak what is right. Don't envy sinners, but always continue to fear the Lord. You will be rewarded for this. Your hope will not be disappointed. Proverbs 23:15-18. Kaylee, we chose to homeschool, not because we wanted rocket scientists, but that would be cool also. We wanted children with godly characteristics. So Kaylee, we're going to present the Silver Cord. The Silver Cord represents the completion of several projects. Most recent, the completion of the interior decoration of the motel room number 3.
and including the reupholstering the couch and designing your prom dress. So congratulations. We love you.
Let's go in the big red cheese. Woo! Now we're eating.
Cheddar's makes the world better. Hi, Daddy. Say hi. Just kidding. Don't put this in your video, Macy. Okay, let's do it over here.
People looking at me strange. All they wanna know is if I'm
Can we have 2 things of ranch, please? Look at this. It's bigger than my head. It's bigger. Come on, Zoe. Zozo. So we just started done eating now. Daddy, what's up?
Okay, let's see where we missed it.
Hand them over. I'll get one of the family.
I wish Auntie Mel and them could have come through.
Aaron and Aaron. Behind in there. Good doing this. Congratulations. A smile.
So we are on our way home now from graduation. All packed in the big red bees. What? Alright, so we just got back home now. So, you know, the day's over. Graduation is over. So guys, thank you for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed everything we're posting. And whatever you want us to post next, just comment and let us know. Snap me on my snap. DM me, whatever, and we will try and make it happen. So guys, you know, you already know the deal. If you haven't subscribed, well, subscribe. What is you doing, boo? And you haven't liked it, hit the like button. And if you haven't shared it, share our video. But today, I am going to shout out our friend Davian Smith. You can follow him on Instagram at Davian Smith 1. Follow his Snapchat, and his Snapchat will be on his Instagram.
Hi, this is a Q&A. Subscribe to my channel.
even when my light burns low.